Where are we off to this morning then, John?
Doncaster, doing the ledger for the weekend, getting it all set up. So, bring it on. Off to Doncaster!
Did you follow before us?
Going there. Yeah, so pretty much from the corner of that hedge to the end of that sign. You just see if you can fit them in. You can start from over there if you want to. Yeah, we've just got to get the angle right. That's the thing, to fit them in, and so that it's not pointed towards the stage too much. Just at Ledger Festival, so it's our first loading day. You'll probably see behind me, there's been a build involved in this now for probably a month. So this is a big operation for Arena Racing, who is my client. This is one of their premium sites. Ledger's their biggest event of the year. So expecting a good kind of 60 to 100,000 depending on how many turn up this weekend, but big numbers. Beautiful stadium, beautiful site. What we're doing is we're doing two sides. So we're doing the grandstand, which is over behind me there, and we're also doing what this is called the champagne lawn. And over here they've created something they're calling the stable yard, which is kind of a quirky, cool, street foodie, shipping container bar kind of area where the entertainment is the stage. You'll probably capture a little bit later of the stage is actually a shipping container above all the bars. So all the entertainment's going on above there. So my trucks have just arrived. I've been here since early this morning, seeing in chiller trailers and generators and stuff. But my team have just arrived with two trucks. We've got another two trucks to go, which will be coming tomorrow, and we're just beginning the build.
Nice. And how many units are you putting in here? And what's the thought process behind which units go in here? Okay, so we're going to try and put in 8 here, but we have come up against a little bit, which often you do on site. There's some signage gone in with some big legs here, which has lost us a couple of meters. So we're going to have a look at it, see what we can do, see what we can get in. But we're supposed to have 8 in the row here. And then this whole back area here, which is kind of behind where the camera is, we're putting a big back of house kitchen in, we're putting in all our chiller trailers, and we will be basically producing all the volume for at the back, and at the front is literally just for pushing out those numbers and getting those customers served nice and quick. Nice. And what about over by the grandstand?
So over by the grandstand, so we're not opening those until Saturday, which is actually Ledger Festival Day. But when we do open over there in the grandstand, we've got a mac and cheese and a noodles, and then there's a family zone where we're going to be putting in a couple of other brands. There's a loaded fries, are meant to be burgers, but the catering manager has just told me he may want that changing, so we are going to have a conversation shortly.
And which units are going in here?
So you've asked me a question now. So we have got over here a double Greek because of volume. We have got burgers, loaded fries. We have got Yorkshire roasts, mac and cheese, meat and glory, which is pulled meats, and a burgers.
Cool. And so what's the goal for the rest of the day?
So the goal for the day is to get the main structure in, get all the equipment in, get all the gas fittings done, get all the power in. So basically by tomorrow, it's going to be things like touching up the paint, bringing in our picket fences, bringing in our new planters, loads of new decor that we've put in. And the guys will be touching up all the painting tomorrow, putting all the decor in, putting all the plants in, making it all look nice, while I go around with health and safety and get signed off. Yeah, that's not too bad.
Yeah.
That doesn't look too bad. That one forward side. Big one. Yeah, twist down. That's it. Lovely ground.
And that, so fish and chips is up that side. Down here. Should be good.
Ready to cook next part here, because we have it more kitchen. Just leave that one open, just the end one, that's it. We'll put another marquee on the end here, make a big kitchen, and then we'll put stock room down there, because then we don't have to carry the stock as far. And we'll bring these as close as we can once the marquees are inside the wall.
That's very Debo, please. No, that's got to go back on the truck.
Alan Titchmarsh, mate. Titchmarsh, I'm coming for your job. That time he retired, bit of young blood in there, youngish blood in there. How many are you doing?
20. This is also on video. I'm in the spotlight now. That's it. Representing. It's gonna go. It's I reckon.
I could have gone more.
Was it? Is that what it was?
Yeah. Too much stuff. Have you noticed that? There's loads of rocking going on now. Look. The lactic acid's building.
Come back when you've been in the gym.
Yeah, you pegged all the front legs down. You've literally got that.
On a phone.
I won't on my phone.
Probably, yeah. People are probably going to dock to my back once everything's out.
TV. Yeah, look, big menu.
Green boxes on as well.
Brand new chopping board for the
Quite a lot of changes this year actually. It looks great, I really like it. So they've gone for a brand called the Stable Yard over this way. They're kind of giving off that kind of cool street food kind of vibe. A lot of shipping container bars going in here. They've got a big jerk shack which is their own catering going in, which is kind of all done in graffiti and everything else. Got beautiful thick timber frame marquee this year rather than the normal metal framed ones. They've got a teepee going in and then all the usual things like the Pims bars and stuff. And it's just got a very cool vibe to it. I mean, a lot of the customers that come to the race courses these days are quite young, so it'll really relate to them. We've kind of gone all out for this one. We've got all new festoon lighting, really beautiful planters that are going in. We've got picket fences going in and loads of new decor and old vintage milk churns and things like that, which will fit perfectly in here with what they're doing. So, and we've been relocated. Over there in the background is the Hilton Hotel, beautiful hotel here. Last year we were in front of them. A lot of them were coming out onto the balcony and kind of having a drink, ready to experience the atmosphere, and because we were there, it kind of did block them off. So moving us over here, we've got more space. The hotel guests can obviously sit on the terrace and enjoy the atmosphere better, and I think the layout just looks great. The only thing that we've got being in this corner is that actually this is the official start of the racetrack. So obviously this is a huge race. The main race is the St Leger race on Saturday. It's £1 million prize money. There's £1 billion worth of racehorses that are racing in it, and they will be out of the blocks right next to where we are, literally just here. So this is a corner they don't normally allow anybody to go in. So, you know, I've been informed by directors that we've got a big responsibility to ensure that when that race is going off, or any of the races, that, you know, we are serving as quietly as possible. No banging of saucepans or shouting orders to one another. We need to be working in a more efficient manner, but that is quiet, so that we don't spook those horses. That will be live on ITV Sport, and it wouldn't be great. We've got quite a big responsibility for this one, not just feeding them, but also to make sure that it doesn't happen.
Anything that's different about your kind of mindset going into this one, possibly?
We've learnt a lot from doing the last one. Last year went really well, and we nailed it. We massively overspent, but we did that on purpose. We massively over-egged it on purpose. It's a huge event for a very big client of mine, and I wasn't willing to get it wrong, even if it cost us quite a lot of money. It was a lot less streamlined way than we will be able to do it this year. This year we have got more staff on than last year, so that might sound strange, but we believe that there might be a big increase in people because of the way that they've done it. So we're going to make sure. But we've got a lot of data from last year. We've got huge amounts of stock. We've got some fantastic staff, and we've got a bit more space. So because of that, I'm quite excited for this one.
Job done then, John.
What did I do with my mouth full? All good, as you can see, it's all set up. But if we come back tomorrow and do all the finishing touches, then we'll be all good. Yeah. Put it on. Yeah. Put it on. So can't use it at the moment. Yeah. You need to. All right.
I'll do mine at home. Yeah, but I don't want to just put it.
Okay. So we've got. Can you put the pass? Yeah, put the pass through.
Yeah, choose 2 pasta.
Oh, okay, sorry.
God, sorry, John.
I didn't realise we had an extra pan
It's
there.
only because I think she just wanted to use the burner over here, so. All the chopping boards. All the chopping there.
Go my way, like Casey said, they're straight over there. It is
That's mine. We don't want to.
Keep a few string on you, in a
Thank you.
You're going to go, yeah, get in there. Don't go show this, right?
You look great.
Want any more grilled cheese on top?
No, that'll be fine, thank you.
I like your hat.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. Thank you very much. We've got no scissors anywhere.
Sorry.
It just follows you around the camera.
Yep.
Thank you very much. There's the one.
Okay.
Pressure's on. Crispy onions, applesauce.
No, thank you.
Want any meat sauce?
Just to let you know, we're at the Leisure Fest, most important day of the year. As you can see, we're covering 8 units here. We've got another 2 units over the back there, another 2 units over there, and we've had some extra staff in today to cover the volume of the food. It's working so well. As you can see, there's no queues, and as you can see behind you, there's loads of people here enjoying themselves. So let's hope the rest of the day goes well.
Just over 2 bets, so not too bad.
Red slaw, crispy onions, chives, applesauce.
I love crispy onions and chives, please, yeah. Golden, thank you.
And then the one was the beef, but without, what would you like gherkins?
No gherkins, but
So everything on cheese, but no gherkins. Yes, please, thank you.
you do barbecue sauce.
Do you want that by itself or as a meal?
Sorry?
Would you like that by itself or as a
Yeah.
meal? Sort of thing on these fries? Yes, please. Any onions? Yes, please. Classic cheese, please. Yeah.
Number 9, wonderful favourite. Tembo Tony and they're donated here by Betfred. The best turned out on the Betfred Park stage being chosen by Jack Berry.
What can I get now? Beef black bean.
Followed by the 2-time horse winner Root Service. The light green chevron and light green sleeve. The 2-4 for our trainer. Big white clothes, white socks, number 6 Tembo Tony. Marvel Man with the blue and white boots. And Jim Murphy.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.